I'm on a fan. Hey, Golden Freddy, I'm on a fan. Why the hell are you on a fan? Honestly, have no clue, but I'm gonna jump off. Do not jump off. That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. I don't know why I want to jump off, but I just have a weird urge to jump off, and I'm covered in dust, but... Boing! Oh, dear God. I'm gonna undust you. There. Undusted. You alright? What the heck? Oh, that hurt. Oh, what happened? Hey, you jumped off a fan. Who the hell are you? Come on, don't start that. Idiot. Good joking around. What are you talking about? Who the fuck are you? Okay. Yeah, that's definitely not Chocolate Bonnie. He does remember. Who the hell is Chocolate Bonnie? My name. What is my name? It's Chocolate Bonnie. What? Who would have a name like that? That's kind of stupid. You lost your memory, didn't you? What are you talking about? Yep, he lost his memory. Well, I don't really care. I'm just gonna... Yeah. Oh, Vinny, that was pure shit. Yep. What do you want to do now? I sure this book got stabbed. Oh, well. Well, Vinny, what else should we do? Why don't we just leave them be? Nah, screw it. We're gonna do an Among Us video. No, do not do an Among Us video. We're gonna do an Among Us video. How have you been doing this? You don't have a pencil. Fuck you, Vanny. What are we doing? I'm bored. Hey, Chocolate Bonnie. Oh, wait, you don't remember your name. What happened? You knocked out. Oh, yeah, I took a nap. I got my memory back, by the way. Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's, I guess, it resolved itself, I guess. Wait, you left me because I lost my memory? Yep. Well, that's kind of harsh. Yeah, well. What? And then I drew the cheese, and I survived, and yeah, that was the freaking, when we were drawing, the second game. Okay, I don't really think any of us asked. Well, oh, now I'm sad. Oh, well, he's dead. Aren't you evil? I'm supposed to keep keeping watch of you. Well, sweet. I'm gonna go do some dumb shit. I wonder where, Glamrock Freddy went. He left. Well, I mean, to be fair, Montgomery's still asleep, so I guess he just went to go get some stuff for us. Oh, well, she's dead. Okay, why are we here? What the frick happened? We literally just... I don't even know. Chocolate Bonnie lost his memory, now it's back. What the frick's happening? I don't even know where we are. Wait. This is Among Us. Are we just doing filler now? I do not think so. I think this is actually just canon. Oh, how would this be canon? I don't know. Well, I mean, to be fair, this did start out canon, like, Chocolate Bonnie lost his memory. No, because it just reset like nothing happened. Strange. I don't know. Everyone, let's do our tasks. Alright. Wait, there's 15 of us. I thought there was only supposed to be 10. Among Us updated, boy. Hey, Golden Freddy, can I come with you? Sure, why not? Candy. Oh, finally, I'm free. Come on, Big Freddy, let's go. Wait for me. Lol. Well, nap time. You're really so lazy, okay. What the frick? Hey, You want a team? Sure, why not? Hug. Yarg. Cheese. Alright, in mid B. Alright, gotta do these samples. Alright, now I gotta wait. I have scan. Can someone watch me scan? Oh my gosh. Candy, you have problems. Guys, wait up. Alright, what are we doing? You guys are watching me scan. I need way more people than this because we have an idiot, a robot, and yeah. But, okay. But, can you go somewhere else? Oh. Wait a minute, that's kind of sus. Are you trying to kill these two? Why would we kill these? There's a cooldown, remember? Oh, well, I haven't played Among Us in like over a year, so yeah. Well, neither of us. Oh, okay. I don't even know what to start. Oh, hey, Leonard, what are you doing here? I don't even know. I'm just chilling. I mean, to be fair, doing our task does nothing in this round. What do you mean? So, I don't know who set this, but it's set to how many meetings are going on. Well, Fun and Freddy's kind of on the meeting button. Yeah. Fun on Freddy, wake up. Okay, he's not waking up for a while. Hurry up, do those asteroids, Cupcake. Yeah, do those asteroids. Yeah, what they said. I can't do the asteroids, guys. I don't have hands. Use your candle. Oh, good point. Okay, this guy's clear. Alright, this guy's clear. Okay, can I hang out with y'all? No. Oh. Actually, yes, come back, please, come back. Why? Well, I mean, first off, we need a bigger team, and second off, you watched Cupcake scan. He didn't scan. I mean, frick. I was thinking because I have scan. But you have scan? Yes, I have scan. Oh, okay. And yeah. Kind of starting there, but okay, let's go watch you scan. Okay. Come on, Cupcake, let's go. It's Yo Cake. Oh my gosh, no one's gonna be able to watch me. Alright, guys, come on. Let's watch Pink Freddy scan. Cupcake. Lol. Okay, I guess I can scan too. Alright, Chocolate Money here next. Hey guys, want a team? I would like to team, but these guys do not team with. These guys are pure idiots. Candy Cadet isn't. Oh yeah, well, yeah. Let's just leave this guy to die. Okay. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Wait a minute, they left me. Wait a minute, what you mean? Well, I'm gonna sit down now. I just realized there's 3 imposters. Yarg. I know. You want to go to get cheese? No, I do not want to go get some cheese. Please. Hug, fine. Alright, let's go get some cheese. Hug. What the hell? Get off the meeting button. Why? I'm trying to sleep. Ain't that right, Bon? Yeah. What did I tell you about speaking? Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Stop. Ow. All right. Where is everyone? Where was everyone? I was in the meeting room. I know that. Okay, so you're clear. Wait, what do you mean? Everyone's clear. No deaths. Yes, there has. Do you know someone's missing? Oh, frick. The ugly toy rabbit. I mean, he probably killed himself, that. Yeah, probably. Well, you're clear. You're clear, and you're clear. Those 4 are clear because they were in the same room. What about you, the rest of you? I was with Pink Freddy. Chocolate Bonnie, Lolbit, Green Foxy, and Green Cupcake. Was this true? Yep. Okay. Y'all are clear. For now. What about you? 3. Review. I was just wondering, well, that's kind of sus. I'm gonna put you in the sus category. Us two are just walking around. Okay, that's... We literally got 3... the 3 imposters. We got 3 people that are sus. Hey guys, everyone, who we gonna vote? I say Rockstar Foxy. Alright, Rockstar Foxy it is. Everyone vote Rockstar Foxy. Wait, what? They didn't even have proof, but they still somehow found out Rockstar Foxy was an imposter. Alright, everyone, back to your tasks. And I'm keeping an eye on you two. Alright. I just realized that guy beat a bonbon. Isn't he that kind of sus? And there was only 1 death. That is true. That is true. That he could have tried to kill him bonbon, but he didn't know how. Yeah, it's kind of sus. Let's just watch him. Hey, can I watch you with you? Sure, why not? Alright, guys, let's go. Well, where are we going now? I gotta go to Medbay. Okay. Alright, do you have scam? No, I don't. What about you? Nope. What are the only 2 people sus? And, I mean, yeah. They literally are sussing us, which is not that good. So what are we gonna do? I just say we should stick together. That is true. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you want some cheese? We're not getting cheese. Oh, fine. We'll go find some cheese in the cafeteria. What are those 2 doing? We're getting for cheese. Is there cheese in here? Yeah, this guy's obsessed with cheese. This is kind of sus. The 2 sus people that are here just came to us. Well, I mean, there's 4 of us, and only 2 people would see. Well, I mean, yeah, they already voted out, so there's only 2 imposters, so yeah. Okay, shut up. Wait, what's happening? It's so dark, I can hardly see. The lights turned off. Who turned the lights off? Yeah, I don't know. It's so dark. What the hell was that? I don't know. I'm scared. Come on, we gotta go fix the lights. Everyone, let's go fix the lights. Come on. Everyone, fix the lights. Fix the lights. Fix the lights. Fix the lights. Come on. Get on the... Wait, they're already fixed. We fixed them somehow. Well, I mean, because I can somehow reach that. Oh, okay. Let's go reporting. Go and put a meeting. Let's go. Lol. All of you in this room are sus. Huh? What? What? What the heck? Oh my gosh. That's not you, Pink Freddy. Stop it. You guys are sus. Report. All right. You're sus. You're sus. You're sus. You're sus. And the rest of you are not sus because I know you guys were sus. All right. So 2 of you. All right. Actually, we can just vote out. You, and you. You just need to do it 4 times. It wasn't me, I swear. Edward's my best friend. Sorry, but I don't believe you. And, I mean, I'm probably, yeah, this guy's not really that sus, because he just laying down on the table, he didn't do anything. You're gonna believe him? And to be fair, you guys were sus last round as well. You guys said we're sus because we really want to
We were a small group.
Yeah. None of you reported the body.
It was dark.
But the lights were already on for like a minute now, and you guys stood there, did nothing. So, you're not really that sus because you're probably sleeping, but the three of you are sus. And there's only 2 imposters, so screw it, we're running our cheese guy.
Cheese? What? No. 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 This game is rigged. Cheese.
Twisted Foxy was not an imposter. Dear God, we've already lost 5 people, everyone. Well, technically, we only lost 4, but... Well, I'm gonna go back to bed.
Can't believe he lost his sus factor. Well, I was gonna kill him anyways.
Find out Freddy, get him. I'm gonna take a nap.
Yarg. Yeah, but let's just split up.
Yep, seems totally logical. Hey, you guys wanna watch me scan? Sure, why not? Wait, did we already know who scanned again? I forgot. It was Chocolate Bonnie. And, oh yeah, it was me. Hey, you're an idiot. Oh, there. Okay. Oh, he's safe. Oh, and we're all safe, actually. Yeah, let's just chill.
You know, guys, let's just go.
Yep. I'm gonna just be chilling. Yep. Yeah. You killed them.
But it wasn't us. We just got here.
No, we just got here. We just walked in and just see the dead body. Report. Oh, wait. What happened? I was trying to take a nap. Okay, well, you're safe automatically. You're safe. You are not safe. You guys are definitely safe. You guys scanned. But you 3. You guys are very sus. Well, oh yeah, I was there. Never mind, I'm stupid. Yeah. What did they do? Well, they walked in and there was we walked in and Mr. Butter's buddy was on the phone.
It wasn't us. There's only one imposter. If there was one imposter, you wouldn't all vouch for each other.
That is true. Wait, where's Roxanne? Where is she?
You idiot, you pushed me to the side.
Oh, where were you?
I was down the hall toward storage.
The body was in but okay, so yeah, you're safe. Wait, but she doesn't have anyone to vouch for her. Screw. We're voting off a little bit.
What? No. Wait, why don't you vote the person that's already very sus? We're 3 rounds.
Okay, fine. Everyone will vote. We're not. No. You're safe this round. She's not safe. She's safe this round. Screw it. We're voting a little bit. Come on, a little bit. Let's go.
No!
Not an imposter. 2 imposters remain. Oh my gosh. Oh, been up time. Oh my gosh. We're all gonna die. Oh, I mean, to be fair, there's like only 2 imposters in this. There's 8 of us. So, we have a 1 in 4 chance of dying. That's still a lot of chance. I'm thinking we should vote off Roxanne. Yeah, but who would be the other imposter? To be fair, we've only cut. Roxanne was all alone and there was a killing in the cafeteria, so. Screw it, someone reported me. Do a meeting. Meeting! Wait, actually, no, I'm not gonna do a meeting. Can Diallo do a meeting? Meeting! Oh my gosh, I'm trying to sleep. I'm sorry, Thunder Freddy. You know what? Go back to sleep. Alright, you're safe. Actually, we're just voting off Roxanne. Yeah, everyone, vote off Roxanne. She's been sus for a long time, so we're gonna vote her off. Vote her off. I vote Roxanne. Same here. Yep. I'm gonna skip. What do you mean, boy?
What? No, it was not me.
Roxanne was an imposter.
What the hell? How did they know?
Oh wait, I just realized. Fun Freddy's been in here for a while. Well, I mean, we just voted out Roxanne. She was this, so. Oh yeah, that's true. Okay, well, let's do our task and just finish this. Yep. Yeah. Gotta move the body. Gotta move the body. Gotta. Walking down an ominous hallway. Hope I don't get murdered. Oh! Oh, what just hit me? There's a vent. And a body. Oh no. This is an event, so. Are they still down there? Hello? Is anyone there? Hello? There's somebody there. Okay. Oh, report the body. Guys, I found a body. Next to a vent. Okay, there's no vents in the cafeteria, so I'm gonna go back to bed. Yeah, I don't think it was Fun Freddy. You are not really safe. It's either Candy Cadet or Chocolate Bunny. You two are actually safe. But it's not us. Yeah, it's not us. Do you have any visuals? I'm safe. He's safe. He's safe. I'm not really sure about him, but he hasn't done anything the entire round, so yeah. It's not me. Okay, well, too bad it's okay, everyone voted Chocolate Bunny. Wait, no. Chocolate Bunny was not in pop. We're running out of people. Everyone voted Candy Cadet. Alright, redo meeting. Hug. Alright, I vote Candy Cadet. Sure, why not? Vote. Candy Cadet was not an imposter. What the hell? Wait, if it's not Candy Cadet, then who is it? It's not fun to... Wait, I'm safe. You're safe. He's safe. What? What are y'all talking about? I'm going to run a little bit. To be fair, we didn't really see you. Everyone that vouched for you is gone, so... What? No! You know, guys, please, don't vote me out. Please, no. Fun Freddy put the meeting. Alright, just get this over with. Alright, well, vote. Yogeek was not an imposter. What the hell? Wait. Oh no. How did we not guess the abusive person that killed... Oh no. Victory for me. Chap. What, Vanny? That was the dumbest thing you've ever done yet. What do you mean? Among Us, that game is dead. It dead as hell. Why did you make them play Among Us? Honestly, why do you... what about the Squid Game thing? That was actually important because we actually, interviewed them and then we erased their memory. And took their remnant. Go well. Well, Benny, what do we do now? No, stop with the book. Give me the book. We'll use that for the finale. If anything, we need to call Foxtrot. I'll go get the walkie-talkie. I'll be back. Why don't we just both go? That's true. Let's go, Benny.